This is the marble female in the litter by Captivate and sorry, Dude. And you can begin to see here, see the background that is beginning to open up. We call this falling out in the marbles. And as this kitten matures, you're going to see huge changes in her. Beautiful kitten. She'll have lots and lots of color, which you can't really see right now, but it's coming. And a very, very nice feel to her. Good size on this kitten. She's growing quite well. We'll be sure to watch her now as she matures. And again, the marbles are the most dramatic change that you'll see. It usually takes about a year for the full color to develop on them. I can see the glitter on this kitten, nice and heavily glittered. Very, very pretty, pretty face. And good overall feel to her. Just a very nice kitten. So this is the female marble. There's 4 females in the litter, and this is the one marble.